Congratulations po.
Saan? Yes, we'd like to thank the Senate and the Honorable Chairperson of the Committee on Finance, Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, for the approval of the budget of the Office of the Vice President.
Ma'am, may we ask about the other topics na po aside from budget, or you have other...
Wala naman. Pero kung may questions kayo sa budget, unahin.
Discuss the HOR, you went there alone. Pero dito may kasama mo kayo team. Are you expecting more questions?
Actually, yan yung discussion namin kanina because we were in a meeting. The Office of the Vice President was in a Zoom meeting. And then, wala kaming sagot, ma'am. Hindi ko alam kung bakit mag-isa ako doon sa House of Representatives. And then, suddenly, nandito sila, sumama sila dito. Pero, madami kasi ang mga personnel ng Office of the Vice President na merong some sort of anxiety pag pumupunta sila sa House of Representatives dahil sa mga nangyari noong nakaraang taon. Likely baka yun yung rason bakit ayaw nila ako samahan doon sa HOR.
What can you say, VP? Smooth sailing po yung budget niyo dito. Si Senator Bongo sabi gusto pa niyang ibigay yung part ng budget niya sa opisina niya sa inyo.
Well, ganun din naman sa House of Representatives. Mabilis lang naman. Mainly because napakaliit kasi nung budget. Tapos, ang karamihan doon are for projects na ginagawa na namin noon pa since 2022. So, wala siyang bago na project.
Ma'am, wala na po kayo sa current present budget niyo or are you requesting
especially sa social services, ma'am?
Mas madaming matutulungan pag mas malaki yung budget, pero I decided not to submit a bigger budget because alam naman namin na hindi ibibigay yun eh. So parang maglulukuhan lang tayo kung magsasubmit kami ng mas malaking budget, tapos babalik lang din tayo sa kung ano yung nasa NEP ngayon, which is about 900 million. So hindi na kami nag-submit.
Can we ask about the welfare check done